guys, how are you doing? I'm here to teach you basically how they made parchment paper during the olden times. So I'm going to start off by naming the materials that we need. Basically you need an animal because parchment is made from animal skin, basically from calf or goat or sheep. Let's pretend this is one of them, okay? And then you need a knife to kill it and skin it. You need some water in a receptacle. You need some beer or any liquor that you can find. A container that's made of stone. A few pebbles like this. Anything you can find on the ground. A couple strings. And a stirrer over here. And a stretching frame that, looks a little bit like this. Alright. Once you kill your animal of choice, it's dead. Okay, now once you're finished skinning the animal, it's gonna be bloody and full of hair. Okay, now we're gonna soak it in water for a day to remove the blood and to prepare it for the dehairing solution. Okay, so it's okay to stir it with your hand right now because it's just water. Okay, so you leave it there for one day. Okay, when the day is over, after soaking the thing in water, you put it in a stone container and you pour beer or any liquor. This is called the dehairing liquor. Okay, so you soak it there for about 8 days until the hair is removed. Okay, then you use a stirrer about 2 to 3 times daily, just so everything is soaked in. Make sure the solution is evenly distributed on the animal skin. Alright, now during the Middle Ages they moved to using lime. Okay, so you can also use lime, and they add sodium sulfide to make it stronger. Then that's gonna speed up the dehairing process. Okay, so you soak it for 8 days or more. But during the winter time, dehairing can last like twice the amount of time, because you need to keep the temperature as normal as possible. Okay, after the dehairing, you're not supposed to use your hands, but just to demo, you have to put it in a receptacle with clean water just to rinse away the chemicals. Okay, and then you just wring off the excess water, and we're gonna prepare it for the stretching phase. Okay, we're gonna start off with the stretching phase. So you take the material, you take the stone, okay, you put it under one of the corners, do like this. Take your string and just wrap it around tightly. Okay, and you tie a little knot. This is going to be like the anchor for which the material is going to be stretched out. And then you do that to all 4 corners. Then you attach it on the frame and you stretch it. Okay, now once you've tied up all the 4 corners, you can stretch it out like so, and stretch it as far as it can go. Now the dehairing process, you have to be very, very careful with that as well. It cannot be soaked too long in the solution, because if it's soaked too long, it's not gonna withstand the stretching process. Okay, anyway, so you let it dry like this. Both sides are exposed to the air, right? So it's like that, and wait for it to dry. And that's the last step. In the stretching process, you can also take your knife and scrape off the excess hair, whatever, and make all the fibers align. Okay, and once it's done, Once it's all dried up, it's going to retain its form. Right, then after that you can just cut away, and the finished product is going to be something like this. So you can write on it. And that's what they did. That's how you make parchment. Thank you for watching.